Hey guys, Aurora here. I'm gonna be doing a quick show of how mung beans can grow so fast. I am experimenting with just a teaspoonful of mung beans. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Let's get this video going. Looking good already. I'm gonna put a little bit of distilled water. It's 5 ml.
It's delicious.
And we will check this again tomorrow. Day 2. Let's take a look at these mung beans. They're growing like crazy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add more of the distilled water, 5 ml. So we'll check it again tomorrow on day 3. Today is day 3. I'm gonna add another 5 ml of distilled water. Okay, today is day 4. This is a teaspoonful of mung beans. And that's how much I got. Day 4. Okay, day 5. I am able to cook my mung bean sprouts. Put a little bit of salt, a little bit of basil, and a spritz of vinegar. I'm going to turn this off now. Delicious. So it's proven you can sprout a mung beans without the sprouting tray. You don't even need to rinse them. All you have to do is just give them a little bit of water, cover it with an airtight container, water them twice a day, just a little bit. This is a teaspoonful mung beans, and this is how much it grows. There you go. Thank you for watching Aurora's vlog.